take 2 pipe cleaners of different colors and wrap them around the finger you want to make a ring for, and try and do this at the middle, like this. Then make a twist around your finger with both pipe cleaners, such that you have 4 ends hanging off. Then for each end, you're going to wrap it towards the middle, or coil it actually. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when you've got your 4 coils, what you're going to do is you're going to arrange them like so. Such that you have the basic shape of your butterfly. Then you're going to take these coils that you made and you're going to make points at the end. So try and do this so that your butterfly starts looking more like it has wings here. Okay. So then you've got your basic butterfly shape for the wing. Now you could leave it here and you would just have a butterfly ring like this. But I think that it's also fun to add the body. So here we'll add the body. So take a new pipe cleaner and wrap it. Start by wrapping a little bit around the center. Such that it holds on there. Then take a little bit of the blue so that it's sticking out the front, and then take the rest of the blue and have it stick out the back a little bit like this. Then come around the center again and wrap the back of the butterfly. Like that. And then cut the excess. And wrap the rest around the front. Like this. Fix your butterfly so it looks straight again. And finally, what you can do, you can leave it like this again, or you can do another step. You can add the antennas. So if you want to add the antennas, start with a new piece of pipe cleaner. We'll cut it in half to make it more manageable. And thread the pipe cleaner up through the front or the head, right near the tip, and come back through the top again to make so that it stays on there, like so. Then you've got your two antennas. So what you can do, and let's cut these to make them even. Then you can curl these loosely up towards the center. And then you'll have your finished butterfly ring.